Are you looking for the top 5 best DSLR and mirrorless cameras? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 best DSLR and mirrorless cameras on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. True 5K digital camera for photography. True 5K UHD and 80MP video camera. Whether you're capturing landscapes or everyday moments, this digital camera delivers stunning, vivid photos and videos with incredible detail. The 18x digital zoom ensures clarity even from a distance, letting you preserve every special moment with crisp details. Autofocus and one-touch macro. This photography camera quickly captures distant scenes and delivers precision in close-up shots as well. The built-in autofocus feature helps you adjust the focus swiftly. With 5cm one-touch macro shooting, you can easily capture flowers, small objects, or food details, showcasing the beauty of the micro world. Please pay attention. 1. This is a regular camera suitable for beginners, teenagers, and non-professionals with lower needs. It is not suitable for professionals who have high demands for photography, such as requiring the same image and video quality as professional cameras. 2. External devices such as microphones or lighting accessories require their own power source. The camera does not supply power to these accessories. Number 2. 5K digital camera for photography. 5K and 75MP digital camera. This digital camera shoots incredible 5K video, 15 FPS, and 75MP high-resolution photos. Equipped with a 12MP CMOS sensor that brings vibrant colors and sharp details to life, whether in bright sunlight or a dimly lit room. It's perfect choice for your vlogging and YouTube needs, effortlessly capturing exciting moments of everyday life. The built-in flash ensures clear, bright photos even in low-light environments. Autofocus and 18x digital zoom camera. This 5K digital camera features A/F autofocus, allowing you to quickly and accurately capture your subject with crystal clear precision, ensuring you never miss a shot. The cameras for photography also supports an 18x digital zoom, bringing distant scenes closer with ease. Whether you're capturing a stage performance or a distant mountain view, simply press the T/W button to adjust zoom to your desired distance, achieving perfect shot every time. Number 3. Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. RF S18-45mm f4.5-6.3 is STM lens kit. High image quality. Canon EOS R50 4K digital camera features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS, APS-C, sensor and DigicX processor for stunning image clarity and level of detail. High-speed continuous shooting. Capture fast action with up to 12 frames per second with electronic first curtain shutter, and up TP 15 frames per second with electronic shutter for a superior vlogging camera. Advanced autofocus. Dual pixel CMOS AF2 covers up to 100% x 100% area with 651 AF zones. Features auto subject detection and tracking of people, animals, and vehicles using deep learning technology. Perfect 4K camera for video recording. Superior viewing experience. 2.36 million EVF with clear view LCD2 vari-angle touchscreen on this digital camera for easy composition and shooting from virtually any angle. Built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capability. Enable wireless functions, such as file viewing and transfer, by connecting the video camera to Wi-Fi. Use the free Canon Camera Connect app to connect your camera to compatible smart devices via Bluetooth pairing. Number 4. Canon EOS RP full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera plus RF 24-1 05mm lens f4-7.1 is STM lens kit. Canon EOS RP full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera plus RF 24-105mm lens f4-7.1 is STM lens kit. Compact and lightweight for traveling and vlogging. Black 3380C132. Compact, lightweight and high-quality RF lens with a versatile zoom range of 24 to 105mm. Optical image stabilization at up to 5 stops of shake correction. Maximum magnification of 0.4x and minimum focusing distance of 0.66 feet in autofocus. Maximum magnification of 0.5x and minimum focusing distance of 0.43 feet when using center focus macro. Use the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software, Mac and Windows, to turn your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam, or do the same using a clean HDMI output. Video capture resolution, 4K UHD 2160p. Number 5. Canon EOS R8 mirrorless camera RF 24-50mm f4.5-6.3 IS STM lens kit. Full frame hybrid camera. Step up to full frame with Canon's lightest full frame RF mount mirrorless camera, featuring a 24.2 million pixel CMOS image sensor and DigicX image processor. An affordable and compact camera with built-in 0.39-inch 2.36 million dots OLED EVF up to 120 frames per second refresh rate and 3.0 1.62 million dots vari-angle LCD touchscreen. Dual pixel CMOS AF2 covering up to 100% x 100% area with 1053 AF zones with automatic subject detection of people, animals, and vehicles using deep learning technology, now including aircraft, jet planes and helicopters, trains and horses. Uncropped 4K movie at up to 60 frames per second that is oversampled from 6K. Full HD high frame rate movie recording at up to 180 FPS2 and Canon Log 3 or HDR-PQ. Max movie record time of 2 hours 3 in UVC/UAC for webcam and streaming 4. Achieves high image quality such as improved resolution at low ISO speeds and low noise at high ISO speeds, wide dynamic range of still pictures, and significant improvement in rolling shutter compared to previous Canon cameras when shooting fast-moving subjects and quick panning.